Hello guys, welcome back to our A&B Tech Bytes channel. Today we discuss how to create this amazing, colorful, glowing effect to an image by using only HTML and CSS. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and join our A&B Tech Bytes community. Let's not waste our time, let's get into our video.
Now create a folder and naming it as glowing effect. Now open Visual Studio, open folder and select that folder. Now I am creating our HTML and CSS files. We need images, so I have images in our Windows, so I am going back. Copy this folder and paste it in our glowing effect file. Now come back to Visual Studio. I am taking our index HTML, pre-boil it and change the title name glowing effect. Now link our CSS, so I am using link tag. Now I am taking two classes, image and glowing, in a div tag. That's all. Now come to our CSS part. I am taking body, margin 0, padding 0, and background color black. I am taking image class, position relative, margin 10% auto 0, and give and background images. I am taking my image. And give width 50% and give height 400 pixel and give background size cover. Now take our glow class and before and our glow class and after. I am taking content and position absolute and give top -2 pixel and left -2 px and give and take background linear gradient and give these colors. Now give background size 400% and width all 100% plus 5px and give height all 100% and same 5 pixel. Now give z index -1 and give the animation animate 20 seconds linear and infinite. Now add our keyframes and give animate 0% background position 0 0 and give 50% background position 400% and 0 and give 100% background position 0 0. Now add one glow class with after and add filter blur 40 pixel. That's it guys, we done our coding and this is our final output. We successfully create colorful animating glowing effect to an image and we see you in next video. Bye bye.